Very good morning, friends. Today we are going to study the role of computers in research. It means that what type of a role computer is going to play in research activity, what type of a uses we can make at the time of the research. It means that what is the important role of the computers in research activities. Such type of a role also we have to study in detail. Okay. Computer is one of the greatest inventions of 20th century. It has been instrumental in multiplying the efficiency in performance of the several operations in almost all the spheres of human life, including the research. Speed, accuracy, memory, diligence, and versatility of the computers make it immensely useful in the conduct of research in the following manner. Okay, it means that how computer is useful in the research activity, that is also we have to understand. The role of computer we can understand with the help of this chart. First role we have to study, we have to understand in detail, that is computer enables speedy and economic collection of research data. Try to understand. These two words are very important, speedy and economic collection. Speedy, it means that fastly, and economic means much more cost is not required. Lower cost, with the help of less expenditure you can collect the data. Try to understand. The quality of research depends heavily on the availability of adequate and reliable information pertaining to research problem. Computer helps the researcher to have an access to huge information useful for his research from every nook and corner of the world. The internet and email facilities on computers enable the researcher to accept the websites to access the websites of the various research institutions, libraries, and various other agencies, and avail the information needed and download it in his computer. He can even interview the instant informants through internet and collect the responses. This enables, try to understand, this enables the researcher to obtain the crucial information from all corners of the world without visiting those places in person within few minutes. This helps to enhance the quality and worth of his research without spending much time, efforts, and money. It means that this type of important role computer can play in research activity. Then second role we have to understand, what is it? Computer helps efficient storage. Try to understand. Computer help efficient storage and retrieval of research information. Computers have huge and infallible memory. Listen carefully. Computers are having huge and infallible memory where voluminous data and large number of instructions can be stored for years. Okay, the computers can even retrieve the information stored in the memory at any time in the required form. This enables the researcher to store the entire data about his investigation in the computer memory devices like floppy and compact disks. Okay, and the use it to perform different kinds of analysis in the way he wants. Okay, in this way, with the help of the computer we can collect required data speedily and in economic manner. That's why this is important role of the computer in research. Then another role we have to understand, computer helps efficient storage and retrieval of research information. Computer have huge and infallible memories. Try to understand. Computers have huge and such type of memories and with the help of that memory, computer can store such type of data, research data. Computer can even retrieve the information stored in the memory at any time in the required form. This enables the researcher to store the entire data about this investigation in the computer memory devices like floppy and compact disks, and use of perform different kinds of the analysis in the way he want. It means that wherever and whenever researcher want to refer the data, it can be possible with the help of the computer. Then third role we have to understand, computer facilitates, try to understand. Computer facilitates speedy and accurate analysis of research data. In olden days, the researcher uses the perform the tedious work of the data analysis manually for several years. It means that when researcher were doing analysis manually, at that time several years time was required there. Okay, it requires great skills, expertise and back-breaking efforts on the part of researcher. Moreover, the time consumed for the analysis was so much. By the time the researcher could come with the inferences after the elaborate analysis, the social situation and phenomena situated use in case. As a result, the output of research used to be obsolete in many cases. But today, the computer helps to overcome all such types of the problems. A computer is a high-speed device capable of making logical decisions, performing arithmetic and non-arithmetic operations for research. It can perform billions of the calculations relating to the research within few seconds. It means that within few seconds we can calculate billions of the calculations, okay, with accurate manner. The data collected by the researcher through various methods can be processed fast. It means that speed of data collection is also fast, you will find. It means that data collection, speedy data collection, accurate data collection, accurate analysis, speedy analysis of the research data is also possible. And for that purpose, different types of these softwares are also useful. For example, Excel, PowerPoint and others. Even complex statistical and mathematical analysis can be performed on the data, and desired result can be obtained accurately without a loss of time. Try to understand. Immediately you can get such type of accurate result. The analysis of data which researcher used to perform manually for years may be accomplished within the help of the computers within few days. It means that year and year time was required for analysis and interpretation of the data when manual analysis was done. But now, during the period of this age, within a fraction of second, within a fraction of minutes also you can get calculations of such type of data. And within few days also you can complete your research activities. Okay. As for the Encyclopedia Britannica, consisting 30 volumes, has taken 50 research scholars about 40 years to accomplish the job, but with the help of the computer, that job could be finished in less than 1 year. Not a 30 years, not a 40 years, not a number of years. Only within 1 year, such type of a job can be completed with the help of the computers. It is the high speed of computer which has made it possible for the man and land on the moon and Mars. Okay, the results obtained by the computer possessing are not only fast, but they are also highly reliable and highly accurate. This enables the researcher to accomplish the research task in time with accuracy. And the last point I would like to explain here, role of the computer, that is computer makes an alternative presentation of research report. With the help of computer also we can make it. Computer has helped the researcher to compile and print his research report in decent and attractive form. The various application packages like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, PageMakers, CorelDRAW enable him to compile, modify, refine and print his research report by inserting various kinds of images, various kinds of photographs, various kinds of pictures, diagrams, graphs and other visual aids at the appropriate places. Thus, the computers plays a significant role in enhancing the quality and worth of the research. It helps the researcher at every stage for planning, every stage from planning the research up to the printing his research report. In this way, very essential and useful and valuable role computer can play in the research activities. With the help of these points, we can explain the role of computer in research activity. Okay, thank you very much.